guys, I didn't end up vlogging yesterday because I had a very busy day at work, but I wish I had have had my camera with me last night when I was at Mum's, because before I came home a huge storm hit and it was so cute because the kids were like running around outside as it just started raining in the nud, and oh my god, it was the funniest thing ever. And then all of a sudden like it started really storming and it was this, I love storms. I don't know what it is, but I love it. But before I shower and go to work, I just really wanted to try and get a little bit more of this room sorted. I'm just gonna pop some music on and just finish divvying up these goodies. So I have a box here of skincare and a box here of product that I'm keeping, the rest of it's donations. So yeah, just trying to get through the final little bit of it so I can get this room tidied up for when Chelsea and Harry come visit, because they're coming on the 27th. If you guys have any challenge video requests, let me know, because Brett, Harry, Chelsea and I think we might want to film a video or two while they're here. So yeah. Discovering all this stuff I didn't even know that I had and getting excited about. What I mean, it's all just been stuck in here and I haven't had a chance to go through it, and now I'm like, oh, I can't wait to try all this stuff. Trilogy overnight mask, yes. Funny, she's just like sitting here watching me. You just want to help so much. You just love your mummy and you just want to help me so much. Are you my best friend? And then we got little Mimi's. Mimi's doesn't really want to help, but when I talk to Lily, you get jealous, so you come running in because you're like, hey, you can't talk to Lily and not talk to me. That's not how this works. That's not how this works. Your nose is so wet and I just kissed it. So I just had my shower and I noticed I had like a huge whitehead on my neck. I never get neck pimples. Like, where the hell has that come from? But I've already popped it because like I couldn't help myself, had a whitehead. But a product I've been using for spot treating pimples is the Neutrogena, what sort of light is it called? Infrared light pen. I got this at the Priceline showcase a while ago, and I don't get heaps of acne, but I get like the odd little pimple here or there. And ones like this particular one that are really swollen and raised, this works a treat on because it really helps like bring down the swelling 10 times quicker so it can heal faster. So I'm gonna pop it on that pimple and hopefully it'll be gone by tomorrow or the next day, because it's really sore. It's like super swollen. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but it was really swollen. So yeah, the joys. And I have like one other pimple on the side of my chin that just won't go away. Probably because I keep scratching the scab off, but so I think I'm going to combine today's vlog with like tomorrow's, because tomorrow I'm going to finish doing the rest of that makeup decluttering. So I feel like it should just all be in one video and I'll just call it like another makeup declutter. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'll take you to work with me if anything exciting happens. I'll obviously show you, but it might just be a roll on to tomorrow or tonight or whatever, we'll see.
vlogs. I saw.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 22, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because tomorrow's 23, Monday's 24th, Christmas. Yeah, 22. So I feel like I'm literally either in gym clothes that are all black or in pajamas in these vlogs. But today is just a roll on of yesterday. I ended up going to work. I had a busy afternoon. I had a massage actually in the afternoon too. Came home, cooked dinner and went to bed. So I didn't vlog any of it. I wasn't in the mood to vlog, I'm not gonna lie. I might tell you more about that later, but I'm going to get stuck into getting the rest of this makeup organized, and I am literally deep cleaning the house today. Like, today's gonna be non-stop, girl. I'm putting the tunes on and I'm getting this house finally done. I feel like all Vlogmas has been a procrastination of half-ass cleaning of my house and getting this makeup organized. So let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, ugly toes. I literally have the ugliest feet too, P.S. Don't judge them, please. Okay, girls. Mummy's got to get to work. Excusez-moi. Okay guys, here's another update. So there's some things for my family for Christmas. Recycling pile, wow, what the heck. But I finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, it's nearly there. So I think I'm just gonna have to stack the tubs up in the corner there, and that'll have to do, and then I can strip the bed and do some laundry and clean my floors, and I'm just, oh, it's finally nearly done. I can't believe it. I'm actually going to redo my linen press in a vlog as well. I think I'm going to go through and clean out all of this, donate a bunch of stuff, chuck out a bunch of stuff, and do a total like linen press revamp. So that's going to be exciting. I'll definitely do a dedicated video on that though, I think. So that's the hardest thing, right, with like doing YouTube and you know, wanting to be productive and just get shit done. It's like, oh, but that'd be a good video idea. So I need to wait till I can film it, and it's just like, you know, normally I would just do this stuff at all crazy hours of the night and just get it done and not worry about it. And obviously when you film, it takes 10 times longer to get things finished. That's why I stopped filming when I was organizing this, because I was like, okay, this has been going on for too long, just need to get it done. And yeah, I'm making moves and I'm so excited. So I have like some tubs that are strictly for donation. I have some tubs to do some more giveaways for you guys, so don't worry, they're coming. I'm going to like do my best to save up some money so I can do some international giveaways and cover the shipping and everything. I've got like boxes for friends and family. Oh, I just burped, sorry, excuse me. And I've got some boxes for myself. That's just stuff that I'm not sure if I want to part with yet, because guys, like, I was just going through it all, and honestly I get sent so much lovely product, and some of it I'm like, but what if in a month's time I'm like, I really want to use it, you know? So it's a struggle, but I'm getting there. I feel like I'm culling a lot, I'm making progress, and that's what matters. So I'm going to keep doing that. Brett's bringing us back hotcakes. He's at the gym at the moment, so I'm excited because he's bringing me hotcakes for breakfast, and I'm really hungry, so because I've been working my ass off. What a lovely greeting, all this shit. Wow. Okay, so I moved the bed around just so that the pillows can go up against the wall, because before they were up against the window and that's not very practical. But yeah, at least it's a bed now. Chelsea and Harry have somewhere to stay. I'm so excited. Still have to get rid of all of this. Well, actually, just the bed, not the picture. I just don't know where I even want to put that picture. just want you guys to be able to see. Is that not the most disgusting fucking thing you've ever fucking seen? Oh, and I have dust allergies. This is great. Yuck. That's all dog hair and my hair. Oh. I don't wait, come out. Pull it out. Oh. Oh man, there's so much in there. Actually gag right now, holy shit. Oh my gosh, my face is like an itchy mess and I can't stop blowing my nose from all the dust. Man, I need a cleaner. I'm all itchy from all the dust. Oh man, it better not cause me to break out in hives. I just feel so disgusting. It's why I haven't bothered having a shower yet, because I'm like, well, what's the fucking point? I'm just going to get covered in dust and yuck. Ugh. This is why you don't leave the house this long, Hannah. My back hurts. But my house is looking really clean. I still need to mop the floors though. And I still have to clean my bedroom. Wow. That was a really obnoxious message. I think I'm going to make some puffy pies. I need some more fake plants in my kitchen. Yeah, look, surely they're bloody cooked.
Surely.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Oh, they're hot in this oven. Fuck, that burnt my finger. Sorry, please burnt my finger on the stuffing.